We start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within here, and this is what we get. Because we mentioned based on lower time frame, the targets we're looking for is 23, following by 26. And as we can see, the price could break the first target as a 23 and almost near to the previous, the second target, but it couldn't break. And even if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we discuss how we can look for trade. This is what we get. And for those traders, they get the trade for buy within this one. If they haven't taken the trade in the profit, either move their stop loss to break even or they take the trade for the profit, all right? By the way, we move to daily chart, and even based on daily chart, we have been looking for this correction. We have been looking for buy. This is what we get. And we mentioned based on daily chart, we're looking for the reversal, and the targets we are looking for based on daily chart. As a long term, we're looking for 46 following by 57 cents. All right. Now the question is whether we can get the daily correction, because if we get the daily correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. But at this point, based on daily chart, we don't have any trace at all for buy. And if we move to forward chart, right now we want to see what's the next, whether we can expect this one turn to, turn to a correction relative to this. That means we can expect this one turn to a flat for the next move or not, because at this point we have to wait. How about if the price continue and drop? That's why if you want to look for buy, we have to wait for the trade setup. Even we're looking at this one in relative to this as a flat. All right, because we mentioned the breakout of this zone, which is 26, is really important for us to confirm we are with an uptrend. And at this point, we don't have any trade setup for buy, and even based on for sell based on a forward chart. And if I move to 1 hour chart right now, what's the next? All right, whether we should look for buy or sell, we don't have any trade setup for any of them. If we get the flag, this is where traders, they can look for sell, but we are not really interested to look for sell unless we see the proper trade setup, which we have to wait. And if we see any reversal as a sharp move flag, we can look for buy. In this case, we have to wait. We have to wait for the trade setup. Even if you want to look at this one as a running flat, we can expect even this one drop and even tag 20 cents. All right. By the way, we have to wait if we don't see any trade setup. And the only thing is for those traders, they get the trade for buy within this range if they can move their stop loss to break even or take out the trade. All right. And now we just follow the chart. As I mentioned, we don't have any trade setup. If I see any update or any trade, then I will share. Thanks.